So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure the AB length is 24 centimeter. So this is the our AB length which is 24 centimeter and BC length is 18 centimeter. So this is the BC which is 18 centimeter and AC is 30 centimeter. So this is AC which is 30 centimeter. So AC is tangent of semicircle. So you can see that this is one semicircle and this is another semicircle. So AC is tangent to both, and S and R are centers of the semicircle. So this is the center of this semicircle and this R is the center of this semicircle. So we have to find the area of this blue region. So first to try to solve it, then we then see the solution. So let's start. So you see this figure. So AC is tangent to this both of the semicircle, and we know that from the center if we draw perpendicular this is 90-degree angle, and from the center if we draw perpendicular this is 90-degree angle. So if both of these angles are 90-degree angles to this line, so this line must be parallel to this line. So PS must be parallel to QR, and then this PQ RS will become like a trapezium. So area of the trapezium is half times this PS length plus QR length multiplied by this base PQ. So this is the area. So now we have to find the value of PS, QR and PQ. So this is our job. So now let's see. First we are seeing this semicircle, like this semicircle only. So you forgot about this semicircle. You focus on this semicircle. So in on this semicircle, if you see from the point C, there are two tangents, like one is this PC and one is this BC. These both are tangents, and BC length is given as 18 centimeter. So if this is 18 centimeter, then this tangent length must also be 18 centimeter from like C point to P point. These both are same. So and the whole length is given to us as 30 centimeter. So whole length AC is given to us 30 centimeter. So the remaining is after subtracting 18 is 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter, and now you see there are two triangles, and from the S we are drawing perpendicular to this tangent AC. So this is 90-degree angle. Now you see there are two triangles like the AS and P triangle. So triangle ASP and triangle ABC. There are two triangles. Like here you can see that this angle is common to both the triangles. So this angle is common, and one angle is 90-degree here and one angle is 90-degree here. So one angle is 90-degree at the point P, angle is 90-degree, and at the point B is also 90-degree. So if two angles are same, then third is also same. So these are similar triangles, we can say. So these are similar triangles. So ASP and ABC are similar triangles. So for similar triangles, the ratio of the sides must be same. So you can see that this one triangle is like our uh, sorry, here is ABC. So there is 90-degree here, and other is APS. So there is 90-degree here. So this is B and this is P. So we can say that the AP side divided by AB side is equal to the PS is equal to the, means like AP side divided by this AB side is must be equal to the PS, sorry, must be equal to the like this PS side divided by this BC side, and this must be equal to the like AS side divided by this AC side. So both, so all of these ratio are same. So now all of these ratio are same. Then you can put the values, like what is the value of AP? AP value we know from this figure, it is 12. Then what is the value of this AB? So AB value we know in the problem it is given like 24 centimeter. AB is given as 24 centimeter. So we can put here. Then what is the value of PS? PS value we don't know. Like we don't know this value till now. Then what is the value of this BC? So BC value we know this is 18 centimeters. So from here you calculate, like this is 3, this is 4. So this will come like 9 centimeter. So here this value is 9 centimeter we get after equating this to this. Now from here we get the value of this 9 centimeter. So this value, PS value we get 9 centimeters. So you take note of this. Now let's see this type, this figure. So in this figure, I only considered this semicircle like this. I avoided this or removed this. So you can see here in the problem it is given like 24. So from the A point there are two tangent. One is this and one is this. So if this length is 24, so this length is also 24 till the point Q. And we'll know whole length is 30 centimeter. So the remaining this QC part must be 30 minus 24, which is 6 centimeter. And we know this hole is 18 centimeter given in the problem. So now this R is the center, and if you draw perpendicular, so this is 90-degree angle, and we have to find this value. So after you calculate, this will become 8 centimeter. I will show you how. So you consider the triangle CQR and triangle ABC. So in both of these triangle, the angle C is common, like this angle is common, and one angle is 90-degree at Q, and one angle is also 90-degree here. Both are 90-degree. So third should be also equal, because sum of the whole angle is 180. If two are same, then the third will also same. So these are similar triangles. So these are similar triangle. Then the ratio of the side must be same. So one triangle we have CQR. So here this, and other we have ABC. So the AB divided by QR means AB divided by QR is equal to BC divided by CQ is equal to AC divided by this CR. So now you put values. What is the value of AB given in the problem? It is 24. So in the problem it is given like 24. Then what is the value of QR? QR we don't know till now. So then what is the value of BC? BC is given as 18. Then what is the value of CQ? We calculated this, it is 6. So from here you can calculate like 3. This will become like QR is equal to 8 centimeter, which I write here. So it is 8 centimeter. Now we know this thing also. So now we calculated this as 8 centimeter. Now we know both the things. Like this, we calculated 9 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter. And we also calculated, like this is whole 24 and this is 18, and we calculated this as 6 centimeter, and we calculated this as 12 centimeter. So the whole is 30. So the remaining this will be 30 minus 12 minus 6. So which is equal to the 18 centimeter. So the remaining this length PQ is 18 centimeter. So then what is the area of this PQRS trapezium? Half of this 9 plus 8 multiplied by 18. So now this is 9 plus 8 multiplied by this base 18. So this is the area which will come like 102 centimeter square. So we calculated this length, and this length, and by applying trapezium area formula we calculated the area of the PQRS. So in this way you can solve. So by similarity of triangles and by applying some properties of tangent to the circles, we solve this problem. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.